Welcome student. Now in this class we are going to discuss substitution reaction of aromatic compound. In last class we have started discuss chemical properties of benzene, and in that topic we have discussed addition reaction of benzene. Okay, as we know, benzene undergo addition reaction, but drastic condition is required. Drastic condition. Okay, so and aromatic compound of benzene also easily undergoes substitution reaction. Substitution reaction like this: benzene, and this benzene having 6 hydrogen, then it is possible to replace this hydrogen by another atom or group of atom, for example G. That will give substituted product. Substituted product. This is the substitution reaction is given by aromatic compound or benzene. Now we know substrate is aromatic. Okay, so it is aromatic substitution reaction. Now we have to identify whether G, this G substituting atom reagent is electrophilic or nucleophilic. Okay, as we know, substitution reaction are of 4 types: aliphatic nucleophilic substitution, aliphatic electrophilic substitution, now then aromatic electrophilic substitution, and aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here substrate is aromatic, so now we have two choices: either this reaction is aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction or aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now see, what is G? As we know, this benzene is electron rich compound. So this G is approaching this ring, means this ring is already electron rich, means it is negative. Its behavior is negative. It behave like negative charge, or its surrounding containing electron, therefore it is negatively charged species, for example. And then G is approaching this G, replacing H. This G, any group or atom replacing this H, means this G must be electrophilic in nature. Electrophilic in nature. So therefore this substitution reaction is aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so aromatic compound or benzene easily undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, and this is the characteristic reaction of any aromatic compound. If the compound is aromatic, then that compound must show aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so this is the aromatic compound. Now we will discuss how this reaction take place. As we know, it undergoes aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. So this benzene, here reagent E is considered as E plus. E plus means electrophile, because it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. This electrophile replacing one of the hydrogen atom from benzene ring, so giving E, and H plus get eliminated or replaced. So it is monosubstituted product. Monosubstituted product or benzene. This product is called monosubstituted product or benzene. Now, how this reaction take place? We will discuss its common mechanism. Common mechanism of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, here benzene is aromatic compound. This reagent E plus is from positive part of the reagent, which is electrophile. So, and E plus replacing H plus from benzene ring. E plus replacing H plus from benzene ring. So it is aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. The product obtained is monosubstituted product or monosubstituted benzene. Now, how this reaction take place? General mechanism. Okay. See what happen. This benzene react with E and NU, for example. This is the reagent. reagent where E is the positive part and Nu is the negative part, okay, of the reagent. Now this actually positive part of the reagent, that is E plus, will going to replacing H plus, because benzene ring is negative, so only E plus will going to attack. Nu, that is negative part, will not going to attack because it is negative, okay. So giving this type of product and H get combined with Nu, that is side product. So this is product, monosubstituted product. Now we have to discuss how this reaction take place, how many steps involved in this reaction. See the mechanism, that is called mechanism of this reaction. Initially what happened, this reagent molecule, that is E and U, get ionized. This is positive part, this is negative part, and it will clearly form positive ion E plus and Nu minus. E plus is electrophile, okay, and then Nu is nucleophile, negative part of the reagent. This is positive part of the reagent. And so now among these two, electrophile and nucleophile, which attack on benzene ring? That is E plus. E plus going to attack on benzene ring, not Nu minus, because it is negative and it is positive. Benzene ring is already negative. Therefore, positive part of the reagent will going to attack on the aromatic ring or benzene. Now, then next step 1, actual reaction. In step 1, what happened? This E plus will going to attack like this. One of the pi electron of this benzene ring will form bond with E plus, because E plus is positive and benzene ring is negative. So one of the carbon atom form bond with E plus and giving and here positive. This is carbocation, and this carbocation form here is found to be stable due to resonance. This carbocation is found to be stable due to resonance, and this step is slow. Why slow? Because stable molecule getting converted into unstable one, therefore it is slow step, okay. So in step 1 what happened? Electrophile means positive part of the reagent attack to the one of the carbon atom of benzene ring and form bond with it, that carbon atom, like this, okay. During this bond formation, one of the pi bond will break in the benzene ring. Pi bond will break and both the electron of this pi bond involved in the bond formation with E plus. Therefore now bonding electron pair is here with bond formation used in the bond formation with E plus, and therefore this carbon atom become positive, that is called carbocation, and this carbocation is found to be stable due to resonance, because this positive charge get delocalized throughout the structure and you will get more than one structure like this. Now positive charge here, double bond here, like this, okay. Again it will delocalize, you will get more structure, okay. So this carbocation have three structure. There is this structure obtained due to delocalization of electron and charges in the structure and giving more than one structure, that is called resonance. And this due to this resonance you will get one common structure, that structure hybrid structure, that is called, this positive charge is delocalizing here, uranium ion. this positively charged carbocation species formed during the step 1 is known as uranium ion. Therefore, this mechanism is named as uranium ion mechanism. Uranium ion mechanism. Now this is the step 1. In step 1, uranium will going to form. Okay? And see, this is slow step because bond is breaking. Bond breaking step is slow, and again stable molecule getting converted into unstable. This is aromatic compound, but this is non-aromatic because having no alternate pi bond. Therefore, this product obtained here is non-aromatic, means it is unstable than this. Aromatic compound or aromatic molecule are more stable than non-aromatic compound. So here in this step there is a loss of aromaticity in the product. Therefore, this step is slow, very much slow. Okay. Now step 2. In step 2, what happened? This carbocation gain aromaticity. Now, negative part of the reagent abstract H plus and like this. There is abstraction of H plus from the aromatic this ring and gain aromatic character, regain aromatic character. Now there is a loss of H plus, okay, and E get attached. Now H and Nu minus combine together to give this type of product. So this is mono substituted product, okay. We can, this is equal to this, okay, we can write like this also, both because all positions are identical, okay. So this is fast step. This step is found to be fast. Why fast? Because non-aromatic compound getting converted into aromatic compound, so this is aromatization step, so therefore it is fast step, okay. So step 1 is slow, step 2 is fast. So slower step is the rate determining step. As we know, rate determining step is step 1, and this step, rate of this reaction, rate of this slow step is depend upon the concentration of aromatic compound as well as concentration of E plus, means reagent, okay. So the concentration speed of this step is depend upon two types of molecule, reactant as well as reagent. Therefore, it is a reaction is of second order reaction. It is a second order reaction. So this is the common mechanism for all types of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, right? So how this reaction take place? In step 1, initially this E and reagent molecule produce positive part, that is electrophile, and negative part nucleophile. Then in step 1, this benzene E plus get attack on this benzene ring and form this type of intermediate carbocation, and then this carbocation undergoes resonance and gains stability. Okay, here now positive charge like this. This is the process of resonance. The writing more than one structure for the same molecule is called resonance. Okay, and then common structure is this, that is called uranium ion. Okay, so this is step 1. Step 1 is slow because there is a conversion of aromatic compound into non-aromatic compound. So that's why it is slow step, and it is known as RDS step, rate determining step. And then step 2. In step 2, this carbocation which is formed in step 1 lose H plus and form again aromatic product. this negative abstract H plus, and there is transfer of electron and form mono substituted product with regaining aromatic character, and H and U is the side product. This is mono substituted product. This is fast state because unstable molecule getting converted into stable product, therefore it is fast state. So this is the simple mechanism for the aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. So dear student, first try to write this reaction from your textbook and try to understand the mechanism of this reaction. Now in next video we will again discuss the same part with specific example like chlorine halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, alkylation, acylation. These are the common example of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Now we have to discuss this reaction by taking benzene and all these reaction. So in next class we will discuss the example of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you very much.